Alaskan cod isn't just delicious, it's super easy to cook. I've got a simple Alaskan cod cooked with sweet and sour tomatoes and vegetables that's gonna be a huge hit in your house. I'm Andrew Zimmern, and this is Seafood Without the Catch. The key to this recipe, wild Alaskan cod, fresh from your local Hy-Vee. In Alaska, protecting the future of both the Pacific cod stocks and the environment takes priority, and Hy-Vee agrees. Hy-Vee sources their cod from an MSC certified fishery, meaning that it meets international best practices for sustainable fishing. Have any questions about cod? Just ask the seafood expert at Hy-Vee.
There you go.
Look at this stunning, fresh cod. So the first thing that I like to do is trim up my fish. The seafood specialist at Hy-Vee can certainly do this for you. I like to do it myself. It's so easy to cut my cod into simple portions that kind of mirror the amount of people that I'm gonna cook for. I now have 6 or 7 nice pieces of fish, and the first thing that I wanna do is preheat a pan over fairly high heat, and I'm gonna put in a healthy glug of olive oil, a little bit of salt. That's my test. If it drags around and it doesn't stick, I know that I'm gonna be able to use a spatula and pull it up. Wait till you see some browning around the edges. That little bit of browning contributes to the flavor of the fish. All right, I think I have one piece that's ready. We're not flipping the fish, we're just gonna put it brown side up in that pan. I'm being very, very careful with my other pieces here as well. Okay. I'm just gonna cut some celery here at a 45-degree angle, throw that into the pan. Carrots, chili flake, some garlic, and I'm just gonna thinly slice these cloves, an onion, about a 1/4-inch dice, some chopped dill, a little bit of sugar, white vinegar, tomatoes. You can pour the juice out, just give them a squeeze. It releases the liquids. Probably more importantly, it breaks up the tomatoes. About 4 ounces of tomato paste. Tomato paste thickens this sauce. I love lemon zest. Why not? It's got so much good lemon flavor. I'll put the juice in there. You just wanna cook this sauce for 5 minutes, 6 minutes. I've got my cod, I've got my sauce, and I just marry this all together. I have my oven heated to 400 degrees. The cod is protected by all this liquid and sauce. You really can't overcook it. So into the oven it goes. So I'm gonna bake it for 25 minutes, 30 minutes, and we'll check it to make sure that it's done. What you really wanna see is bubbling all over and that slight caramelization. I really like putting some rice with this. Pull out pieces of that delicious cod, like so. And look at how white-fleshed and flaky that cod is. I mean, it's just cooked perfectly. You're gonna love this easy baked Alaskan cod with sweet and sour tomatoes and vegetables that you're gonna wanna serve to any guest. Oh my gosh, this sweet and sour tomato sauce in here is absolutely out of control.